Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a hunting sniper mod. So let me just open it up. And as you can see, I'm not that rich, but I'm going to turn on unlimited gems and maybe they'll go up. I wish the mod worked, but let's see if it actually does work. Yo, it's working! So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this hunting sniper modded version for your device onto your phone. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to tweakmod.com. This is the website where we can download the mod. We're going to type in hunting sniper, and as you can see, we have hunting sniper right here. So I'm going to press install and it's going to start downloading. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and finish here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for it to download. All right, so let's wait for it to finish here, as you can see. All right, so basically we are now going to be at the final step, which is where we have to do the little like verification thing. It's very simple. We just have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's 100% for free from official store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required. So basically what we have to do is download some of these apps. They're like missing files and complete the instructions. They're 100% free from official store. So it really doesn't matter what you do, but make sure you do 2 of them. There is a video to watch if you're confused, but yeah, like Cash Giraffe is a pretty easy one. You just got to reach like 15k coins. Then they've got Playful Rewards is a pretty simple one. So anyway, guys, once you do that, you'll be rich on hunting sniper. There are so many settings in here. We've also got skip ads, anti-ban, all this crazy stuff. So if you're interested in hunting sniper, then be sure to try this out, because it is totally updated, guys, for your phone, and no one can touch you because you have the best version of hunting sniper on your device that actually is working. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe.